Cows on a South African ranch have a strange hobby. They keep licking an ordinary old tire. This isn't just random behavior, because the tire is coated with molasses. Molasses is a byproduct of sugar production, thick and sticky, dark brown in color, and tastes as sweet as caramel. Cows love this sweetness because molasses contains lots of sucrose and appetite-stimulating amino acids, which encourage cows to eat more. Ranchers use molasses to attract the herd, boosting their energy intake and helping the cows grow stronger and healthier. Molasses also improves their digestive system and enhances overall vitality. This simple yet effective method keeps the cows in good condition and makes ranch management more efficient. What looks like a strange feeding habit actually hides smart scientific farming wisdom, a clever way ranchers provide extra nutrition to their cattle.